Hey developers, today we are clearing up one of the most confusing parts of JavaScript, that is simply the difference between undefined and not defined. And many of you might be thinking that these two are same, but that is not the case. These two are different. So let's have them with few examples. If I talk about undefined, so it says if a variable has been declared but not assigned any value, then simply we will call it as undefined. So let's say we have this. So as here we have let a, we haven't assigned any value to it. So a would be looking something like this without any value. A has been declared but still waiting for its value. Then let's say instead of this, if we would have, so instead of this, we have let a is equal to 10. So here we have assigned a value 10 to a. So that time a would be simply having a value as 10. So whereas on the other hand, we have not defined. So it says if we have not defined a variable yet, so it will give an error of not defined. So simply that error would be your reference error. So let's say if we have simply console.log b. So here we are trying to find the value of b, which we haven't defined yet. So it's a kind of JavaScript saying, hey, who is b here? Now let's understand them with few code examples. So let's say if we have simply a, we have declared a without any value, and then we are trying to access a. So see, it says undefined. Or we can also have var xyz. We again have this variable without any value. So again, if we try to access this, it will say undefined again. So see. Now let's have a case of not defined. So let's say we are trying to access variable b, which we haven't defined anywhere. We have a xyz, but we haven't have b anywhere. So that time it will give, it is not defined, so it will give simply not defined, a reference error. So yes, that's it for this quick video. Hope you understood about the not defined and undefined thing. So see you all in the next one. Till then, take care.